Welcome back to our Elements of Design series. So far, we've covered line, shape, and color. Today, we're moving on to the fourth and very powerful element, texture. In this first part, we'll understand what texture really means, the different types of textures, and how they affect body shape and mood. This is the foundation every stylist must know.
What is texture? Texture means the surface quality of a fabric, how it feels to touch, and how it looks to the eye. Some fabrics feel soft and smooth, while others feel rough and strong. Some fabrics shine and reflect light, while others absorb light and look calm and subtle. Texture plays a very important role in fashion because it can completely change the appearance of an outfit. It can make an outfit look rich or simple, bold or elegant, heavy or light. For a stylist, texture is a powerful styling tool. It is used to create mood, maintain balance, and create body illusion by highlighting or hiding certain body areas. Types of texture based on touch. Soft texture. Soft textures feel gentle, smooth, and comfortable on the skin. They create a feminine, relaxed, and flowy look. These fabrics drape naturally and fall close to the body, showing natural curves without adding extra volume. Soft textures are commonly used in dresses, tops, saris, and layered outfits where a soft and elegant appearance is required. Examples of soft textures include cotton, chiffon, silk, jersey, and cashmere. Rough texture. Rough textures feel coarse, firm, or strong when touched. They add structure, weight, and boldness to an outfit, making it look more powerful and defined. These fabrics do not fall close to the body and can make the body appear slightly bulkier or heavier. Rough textures are often used in jackets, coats, denim wear, and winter clothing to create a strong and structured look. Examples of rough textures include wool, tweed, denim, jute, and corduroy. Types of texture based on visual look. Visual texture means how a fabric appears to the eye, especially how it reacts to light. Even without touching the fabric, we can understand its texture just by looking at it. Visual texture plays a very important role in styling because it can attract attention, hide body areas, or change the overall mood of an outfit. Shiny texture. Shiny textures reflect light and immediately catch attention. They make an outfit look glamorous, bold, and eye-catching. Because shiny fabrics reflect light, they highlight the body area where they are worn and can make that area look bigger or more prominent. Shiny textures are mostly used in party wear, evening wear, festive outfits, and stage or camera looks. They should be used carefully, especially on areas that you want to highlight. Examples of shiny textures include satin, silk, sequins, metallic fabrics, and glossy leather. Matte texture. Matte textures absorb light instead of reflecting it. They create a calm, soft, and natural appearance and give an outfit a clean and elegant look. Because matte fabrics do not shine, they help hide body areas and make the body appear slimmer and more balanced. Matte textures are perfect for daily wear, office wear, and minimal or classic styling. They are easy to carry and look polished without drawing too much attention. Examples of matte textures include cotton, linen, wool, crepe, and denim. Transparent sheer texture. Transparent or sheer textures allow light to pass through the fabric. They give an outfit a delicate, airy, and feminine look. These textures do not add heaviness and are mostly used for layering to create depth and softness in an outfit. Transparent textures are often used in sleeves, dupattas, overlays, and fashion details where a light and elegant touch is required. Examples of transparent textures include net, chiffon, organza, and georgette. Texture based on fabric construction. Texture can also be understood based on how a fabric is made and what type of fibers are used to create it. Fabric construction affects how the texture feels, how it looks, how it behaves on the body, and how comfortable it is to wear. Based on fabric construction, textures are mainly divided into natural textures and synthetic textures. Natural textures. Natural textures are made from natural fibers that come from plants or animals. These fabrics usually feel comfortable on the skin and allow air to pass through easily, which makes them breathable. Natural textures give an outfit a classic, clean, and premium appearance. They are often associated with comfort, quality, and timeless style. Because of their natural feel, These fabrics are widely used in everyday wear as well as traditional and formal clothing. Natural textures drape well on the body and usually look soft and elegant rather than shiny or artificial. Examples of natural textures include cotton, linen, silk, and wool. Synthetic textures. Synthetic textures are made from man-made fibers that are created using chemical processes. These fabrics are designed to be strong, durable, and long-lasting. Synthetic textures often have a smoother or shinier surface and give a modern, structured, or trendy look. They are less breathable than natural fabrics, but are easy to maintain, wrinkle-resistant, and budget-friendly. Because of their strength and flexibility, synthetic textures are commonly used in party wear, activewear, fashion-forward outfits, and blended fabrics. Examples of synthetic textures include polyester, nylon, acrylic, and rayon. Why fabric construction matters in styling. A fashion stylist must understand fabric construction because it helps in choosing comfortable fabrics for different seasons, deciding whether an outfit should look soft or structured, creating expensive-looking outfits on a budget, selecting fabrics that photograph well, styling clothes according to lifestyle and occasion. Texture and body shape illusion. Texture has the power to visually change the size and shape of the body. Even if the body remains the same, different textures can make a person look slimmer, fuller, taller, or heavier. That is why professional stylists use texture carefully to highlight strong areas and hide less confident areas of the body. Textures that make the body look slimmer. Textures that absorb light and lie flat on the body help create a slimmer appearance. They do not add extra volume and keep the look clean and balanced. Matte textures reduce shine and attention, making the body look more proportionate. Smooth and lightweight fabrics fall naturally without stiffness, which helps avoid bulk. Examples of slimming textures include matte cotton, crepe, linen, lightweight wool, and smooth jersey. These textures are ideal for areas like the waist, hips, thighs, and stomach. Textures that add volume to the body. Textures that are thick, heavy, or reflective add visual weight. They make the area look bigger and more noticeable. Shiny textures reflect light and draw attention. Rough and bulky textures create structure and thickness. Layered textures like pleats, ruffles, quilting, and heavy embroidery also increase volume. Examples include velvet, fur, heavy wool, sequins, denim, corduroy, and thick knits. These textures should be used on areas you want to highlight, such as shoulders, bust, or upper body. Using texture to balance body proportions. Texture can be used strategically to create balance between upper and lower body. For example, a person with heavy hips can wear matte, smooth textures on the lower body and slightly textured or layered fabrics on the upper body to draw attention upward. Similarly, someone with a heavy upper body can wear softer, flowing fabrics on top and slightly structured textures on the lower body to balance the look. Texture placement is important. It is not just about the fabric, it is also about where the texture is placed. Heavy textures on the entire outfit can make the body look bulky. Mixing textures correctly helps maintain proportion and elegance. Stylists often combine one volume-adding texture with one slimming texture to create harmony in an outfit. Professional styling tip. Always remember: shine adds size, matte hides size, thickness adds volume, lightweight fabrics reduce bulk. Texture and mood. Different textures create different emotions and impressions. The texture of a fabric helps express the personality of an outfit and the mood of the person wearing it. Even before color or design, texture sends a message about whether the look is soft, bold, elegant, or casual. Silk creates a romantic and luxurious mood. It has a smooth and shiny surface that feels rich and elegant. Silk outfits look graceful and are often used for evening wear, festive occasions, and special events. Denim creates a casual and youthful mood. Its slightly rough and strong texture gives a relaxed and confident feel. Denim is perfect for everyday wear and gives an effortless, cool look. Leather creates a bold and strong mood. Its firm and structured texture gives power and confidence. Leather outfits often feel edgy and commanding and are used to make a strong fashion statement. Velvet creates a royal and rich mood. Its soft yet heavy texture absorbs light and looks deep and luxurious. Velvet is commonly used in winter wear, bridal outfits, and formal evening looks. Lace creates a soft and feminine mood. Its delicate and detailed texture looks gentle and romantic. Lace is often used in dresses, blouses, and layering to add elegance and charm. Cotton creates a fresh and simple mood. Its natural and breathable texture feels clean and comfortable. Cotton outfits give a relaxed, honest, and easygoing appearance. Linen creates a relaxed, natural, and breathable mood. Its slightly rough and matte texture gives a fresh, effortless, and summer-friendly feel. Linen outfits look simple yet classy and are perfect for hot weather, vacations, and minimal styling. Satin has a smooth and glossy surface that reflects light beautifully. It creates a glamorous, elegant, and luxurious mood without being too heavy. Satin is often used in evening wear, party outfits, slip dresses, and festive looks. Wool creates a cozy, warm, and structured mood. Its thick texture adds seriousness and maturity to an outfit. Wool is commonly used in winter wear, coats, blazers, and formal styling. Organza has a crisp yet transparent texture. It creates a light, dreamy, and elegant mood and adds volume without heaviness. Organza is often used in sleeves, dupattas, overlays, and festive wear. Fur textures create a bold, dramatic, and luxurious mood. They add volume and richness to an outfit and instantly make it look expensive. Mostly used in winter styling, statement pieces, and fashion-forward looks.
So this was part 1 of texture, the 4th element of design, where we understood what texture is, its types, and how it affects body shape and mood. In part 2, we'll go deeper into practical styling, how to mix textures correctly, how texture works on camera, how it changes with seasons and trends, and the most common texture mistakes to avoid. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss part 2. It's already coming up next in this series.
Bye.